So, she left you on read. You're staring at that silent screen, waiting for a reply that just isn't coming. The easy move is to double text or give her a nudge. But here's the reality. That rarely works in your favor. Instead, I'm going to show you a series of unique texts that grab her attention without you chasing or losing ground. Each one is a subtle shift in the dynamic. Texts that are original, direct, and make her see you in a completely different light. Let's go in. 1. Send a low-key callback to your last conversation. Sending a callback text is a subtle move, yet it's incredibly effective because it demonstrates that you were truly engaged in your last conversation. Instead of coming across as needy or desperate for a reply, this text shows her that you're still enjoying the little details she shared with you. If she mentioned trying a new coffee blend, for example, text her, "Tried coffee today. You're on to something." This response shows that you're thoughtful, but also low-key and unbothered, which is a winning combination. Why does this work so well? Because it shifts the focus back to something familiar without asking anything from her. It's a powerful psychological tool. People are naturally drawn to things they recognize. By casually mentioning a shared topic, you're reestablishing rapport without directly trying to reopen the conversation. It's non-confrontational, which lowers her guard, making it more likely she'll respond without feeling pressured. Finally, this approach lets you come across as laid-back and interesting. The key here is not to sound overly invested. Remember, she left you on read, so you're better off making her think you're just fine, enjoying your life. You're indirectly letting her know that you're not hung up, but rather still finding joy in shared interests. This is what makes you come across as easygoing and grounded, qualities that are naturally magnetic. 2. The bold text and walk away. Here's where confidence truly comes into play, sending a bold message and then stepping back completely. This technique works wonders because it's intriguing and sends the signal that you're a busy, high-value guy with things happening in your life. For example, you could say something like, "Just scored something big today, thought of you." Then, without adding more details, just leave it at that. She'll be left wondering what you're up to and why you thought of her specifically. Why is this method so effective? It's a psychological twist that plays on curiosity. By offering her a glimpse of your life and then disappearing, you're creating a subtle tension that leaves her wanting more. Humans are naturally wired to be curious, especially when they feel left out of a story. When you avoid oversharing or clarifying, it gives her room to imagine, and chances are she'll want to fill in the blanks by responding. Additionally, walking away after a bold text communicates strength. You're showing her that your world doesn't revolve around her response. You've got other things going on. This indirectly raises your value in her eyes, as it's clear you're confident enough to send a statement and not wait around. The strength behind this move is what makes it so attractive. She'll likely feel the urge to get back in touch to learn more. 3. Reference something she has to respond to. Here's where you tap into one of the oldest tricks in psychology. People love sharing their expertise. If she's into a particular topic, like music, ask her for a recommendation. Any underrated artists you think I should check out? This isn't your typical question. It's something she might actually feel excited to answer. And because she has to think about it, it pulls her back into the conversation on her terms. The genius of this text lies in its indirect approach. You're asking her for something, but it's not about her emotions or your relationship. It's about something she enjoys. This makes it easy for her to reply without overthinking things. Plus, you're giving her the chance to showcase her interests and knowledge, which subtly strokes her ego in the best way possible. Now she's back in the conversation with a focus on something that interests her. Another bonus? This approach keeps you memorable in a positive way. Rather than being another guy pushing for her attention, you're the one who genuinely wants to know about her taste in music or whatever her passion is. She'll see you as someone who appreciates her depth, and that's something few guys do. It's a clever way to stay in her good graces and, more importantly, keep her engaged. 4. Subtle humor that reminds her of you. A well-timed joke has the power to reignite interest almost instantly. For instance, you might say, "Still can't believe you did that. Made my day." It's lighthearted, fun, and most importantly, it brings up a shared moment. This isn't about getting a response. It's about making her smile when she sees your text. And because it's based on a shared experience, it reminds her of why she enjoyed talking to you in the first place. Humor is one of the quickest ways to reestablish connection, especially after radio silence. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good, so by reminding her of a funny memory, you're giving her a reason to smile without pressuring her for a response. Humor also subtly communicates that you're comfortable enough to take things lightly and aren't weighed down by her silence. On a deeper level, humor reinforces your unique personality. When you bring back a shared joke or memory, it's like reigniting a spark. She'll feel the warmth of that moment all over again, and the familiarity can make her feel closer to you without a word. You've just given her a reason to remember the good vibes you brought, making it harder for her to leave you on red next time. 5. Send a playful challenge. Injecting a playful challenge like, "Bet you can't guess where I am right now," instantly shifts the dynamic. It's a bold way to spark her curiosity while keeping things fun and low stakes. She'll probably be tempted to guess, or at least wonder where you could be. The challenge itself is a conversation starter, making her feel a slight competitive urge to engage without it feeling forced. Why is this so effective? It taps into people's natural curiosity and playfulness. When faced with a question that feels like a game, most people can't resist engaging. You're presenting her with a puzzle rather than a text that needs a simple yes or no. This puts the ball back in her court in a way that feels exciting rather than needy, giving her a reason to rejoin the conversation with interest. By positioning yourself as the guy who can be both playful and intriguing, you're also creating a sense of novelty. She'll start associating you with unexpected fun rather than the usual predictable interactions. This sets you apart from others who may be trying to get her attention in the same typical ways. You're showing her that you're not afraid to break the mold, which keeps her intrigued. 6. Make her feel missed, not needed. One of the most subtle yet powerful texts you can send is one that conveys how much you enjoyed a moment with her, without implying you need her. A simple message like, "Random thought, I just remembered that," something you both did or joked about. Good times can work wonders. This approach focuses on nostalgia, letting her know she was a positive part of your life, while not implying you're waiting on her response. Psychologically, this message is effective because it makes her feel appreciated rather than obligated. People like to feel they've left a mark on others' lives without any strings attached. By letting her know she's still on your mind, you're making her feel valued, not burdened. It's a way to stay connected in her mind without pressing for immediate communication, allowing her the freedom to come back at her own pace. Additionally, this type of text reinforces your image as someone who has a life full of good memories and isn't affected by being left on red. She'll respect that you're not looking for validation or chasing her down. Instead, you're simply living your life and appreciating the past. It's this relaxed approach that keeps you attractive, reminding her of why she enjoyed your company in the first place. 7. Keep it short and intriguing. If you want to re-engage her, sometimes less is more. A quick text like, "You'll never believe what happened today," is a perfect example. By leaving out any details, you're letting her imagination do the work. The suspense is intriguing without being overwhelming, sparking curiosity in a way that feels effortless. It's almost guaranteed she'll want to know what happened next, and she'll be more likely to respond. This tactic works because it taps into the open loop technique, a powerful copywriting tool that keeps people hooked until they receive closure. By leaving her hanging, you're giving her a reason to check back in, even if just to satisfy her curiosity. It's a psychological pull that people often can't resist, as open loops create an itch in the brain that needs to be scratched. Finally, this approach shows that you have interesting things happening in your life without you having to spell them out. It conveys mystery and confidence without you needing to prove anything. It's the kind of effortless communication that makes her want to be a part of your world again, and it's likely to make her smile and engage, even if it's just out of curiosity. 8. Acknowledge the silence casually. Instead of ignoring the silence, acknowledge it casually. Something like, "Guess I'm talking to myself now," is a lighthearted way to address her lack of response without sounding bitter. You're showing that you noticed but don't mind it, which subtly puts the ball in her court to respond or not. This text also gives you an air of confidence. You're cool enough to call it out without putting pressure on her. This works well because it keeps the tone light and humorous, which lowers her defenses. Often people avoid responding because they feel awkward or uncertain about what to say. By breaking that tension in a humorous way, you make it easier for her to jump back in. It also subtly suggests that you're not overly invested, which can make you appear more attractive and self-assured. Moreover, this approach reinforces that you're not afraid of direct communication and are comfortable with honesty. It keeps the vibe relaxed and authentic, making it easier for her to respond genuinely. You're showing her that you're open, honest, and completely fine with the current situation, qualities that are refreshing and attractive in today's world of overcomplicated communication. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.